Hey everybody, it's Mr. We Got Options, and I'm back with another one. Today I want to talk about the costs associated with lifting my truck. And so, I had some questions about it. So just wanted to take time to do a quick video on the truck and kind of talk about the different costs that I faced when I wanted to lift that bad boy up. Dig into it. Alright everybody, so first things first, this is the 2021 Ram 1500 Limited 4x4, and it's also the night edition, and you'll notice the blacked out grill there, how nice and aggressive that looks. And then of course with the night edition, you get the blacked out badges as well, and there's no chrome on the truck, so it's really the look I was going for. And then you also get the black exhaust tips as well, which is a real cool look. That's what I was going for. All right, so of course with the lift of this magnitude, and then if you want wheels and tires, then let's kind of dig into everything there. So with the lift, it's a rough country 5-inch lift, and it's designed specifically for this truck with the air ride and with the 22-inch factory wheels. And of course these wheels aren't factory. I'll throw a picture up in the video so you can see what the vehicle looked like. Okay folks, here's a quick 10-second clip of the vehicle before it was modified. You can notice the 22-inch factory wheels that's on it. All right, so we got $1,500 for the materials. That didn't include tax. We'll talk about tax at the end. All right, and then for the installation they charged me $700 for it, and I'll tell you why I got a good installation price like that in just a second. I actually had some other things done that were labor intensive at the same time, so they kind of cut me a deal to kind of make everything work well. All right, so wheels and tires, we got the 24x12-inch fuel Contra D is in Delta 615 gloss black and mill wheels. Those wheels were $2,500, and then also the tires are 35x12.5 24 Venom Terra Hunter RT pluses, and then there's the size there. All right, so along with wheels and tires, you got mount balancing and alignment. So the wheels by themselves were $2,500. The tires were $1,500, and then the mount balance and alignment, you want to budget about $350. And like I mentioned, no taxes have been discussed yet. Then you have miscellaneous items like there were lock and lug nuts, and then this car has real good sensor system, just like most newer vehicles, so it monitors the pressure in each tire. So you got tire pressure monitoring sensors. I wanted to keep my factory wheels and tires intact, so I did not take those apart. So I bought OEM TPMS sensors. Those sensors were $125. The lock and lug nuts, they cut me a deal there. They're about $30 from the shop. And then with all that being said, of course, taxes. We got to pay our favorite Uncle Sam. He wants to participate in everything you do. He wants to benefit from it. So you want to put roughly $450 sales tax. That assumes about an 8% sales tax. Your particular area may be different. So with all of that together, $1,500 for the lift, $700 for installation, the 24-inch wheels being $2,500, the tires being $1,500, mount balance and alignment being $350, miscellaneous items like lock and lug nuts $30, TPMS OEM sensors $125, taxes about $450. So the grand total, are you sitting down? All right, it's $7,155 roughly. So you want to say you'll be in the neighborhood of $7,000 to $7,500. And so like I mentioned, my installation cost for the lift was $700, but you may want to budget more like $1,000 or so. But what I had done, I had the mount balance and alignment done all at the same shop, and then I also had them to install my rock lights. It was a 12-piece kit with a couple different controllers and I had them to bring the switches inside the firewall and all of that. So I ended up spending about $1,500 worth of, or more, worth of total labor with them on all of that. So they balanced it out with the lift to help me out. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you wouldn't mind, get in the comment section, leave me some comments. If you got some questions, let me know. Smash that like button for me, and then click subscribe. It keeps us motivated so we can build a channel and bring you better content. Did you click that subscribe button yet?